Hello and welcome to this video about the command pattern. So this pattern is especially useful when you have a list of actions or commands that you want to execute, or you could have a list of actions that you want to keep track of, keep a history of. So this pattern really works with a list of actions or a list of things, and you can do a lot of things with it. And the advantage you get is that the class or object calling this command, it doesn't really know the details or the implementation. It just calls command to the execute, and you get to the command is its logic is completely decoupled from the class um, calling it, so it makes it very abstract and very easy and scalable. So the easiest example for this is a remote control where each button does something. But I will give another example. Um, I will give an example for a game where you have a list of commands that you execute in the order that they were fired. So let's go to this drawing here, and the example that I want to give is an example for a strategy game or a board game where you have a player. So this is your player. And if you're familiar with games like Age of Empire or Civilization or things like that, you can give the player a list of commands that they execute in order. So maybe you have a board, and maybe you want this player to go to point X and Y and have make a building here, and then give them another command at X and Y and say make a cannon or make a gun, and another command at X and Y, say X3 and Y3, and do something, another command here. So these commands, so we will give the player these three commands, and he will execute them in order. So we will give him command 1, command 2, command 3, and he will know that what we mean is go and execute command 1, and when you're finished, start with command 2, and when you're finished, go to the next command, and so on. So we will not wait for the player to finish an action or a command and then give them the next command in the program I'm designing. We will give the commands at once, and the player will do them one by one. And we also will give the possibility to cancel in the middle of execution, so cancel all the commands and stop. So first I will start um, making a simple design for this, and then we will change this design or modify it and then make it into the command pattern. So we'll start with something simple and build on it.